Correct. She know my choice.
Jadi.
This one don't me okay, Sha. You know I'm Christian.
Go now, you should understand. Fine girl.
You be mumu. You think say you wise? You are a mumu man.
Boy, Coke sweet die. Now my first drink with this.
Brother, Jadi.
But anyways, what's man go do now? The Baba, I don't remember something. I get this for you. Yes, now.
What's happen?
You see that your babe?
Which one be that one?
I talk and you two they get them plenty. You are a young man, no go kill yourself. That your babe, Juliet.
Okay, yes. What's happen?
She don't marry now. Finally married last week. She don't enter family way.
Brother, that one na old news now.
True? Old news?
Na old news now. That girl is 25 decade years.
This guy they talk. You know what they talk so? Now 250 years be that too.
No, waiting my lecturer tell me where this primary school. Now they tell you so now.
This guy. You are your lecturer now, Mumu na be. Which can't talk with that one?
Now you are your lecturer be Mumu.
Oh boy, no insult me because you buy me cook. Wait till the worry you.
Who carry my bread for you?
We fuck up with it. I just leave you based on say on a very good day.
Abeg, bros, abeg. Who carry my bread for you?
Madam, what's happen now? Find your bread now. Why you bother me? Where you keep your bread? Go find them now.
Which kind of question be that one? Nothing I'll tell you. Half gold. Which kind of thing
Find
this
your
one?
bread now.
Child, here is God.
I not go sleep this night because of rats.
Which shall be whether you know sleep this night because of rat? What you concern rat and bread? Where you dey find?
You know how much I didn't buy that bread? I pour tapia. For tapia, that's poison.
Madam, that way you just talk. Just shift. Nobody dey drink and tapia for you. You hear me so?
Try they talk on that thing.
Madam, find your bread now.
Wetin happen now? Mother, I hear someone just dey shout dey talk. Wetin happen?
Man no go shout. You pray make I keep for you. I no see am again. Now I just go make o. I no see am again. Now pour tapia. Which kind of be that one?
How person go just sit down just dey collect person bread for this kind of thing? But I say no dey kill person o.
You dey kill o. Now be the best of tapia for this one Nigeria. You know Mrs. Sukosi? That's the first daughter. Next kill her last year. He get mistakenly take I try start.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I don't know say you dey kill.
Bros, wait now.
No, I dey pick for am o. How person pick go just die like that?
But wait oh, bros, why your eye dey red now?
My eyes dey right.
You know where?
I first talk am.
Wait till you first talk.
I first talk am. But doctor tell me say I get diabetes, say I no go too live long.
Hey.
I no say so e go be o.
But that disease bad o.
Very dangerous oh.
Very. Why
Mother,
your body come dey dry? No.
I'm a mother abeg mother.
Why every 2 minutes oh?
I just dey sorry for all this politics.
Just go hospital make the. No.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Where did you talk?